So the app I'm using to edit is called LumaFusion by LumaTouch. So this is how I go about transferring my footage and then editing. So I have my RX 100, just get the SD card. I use this SD to Lightning adapter, and then I just plug it into my phone, and then you go to the Files app, Files, make sure you're at the home page of it, and then it should show up here. So it says here Untitled. Go there, find your clips, so it's in here, and then I'm just gonna copy the last few files that I filmed. So select, boom, 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 and then I'm gonna hit this button down here to copy it to this folder that I made called videos. Copy, and then it's gonna copy. It'll take a few seconds here. So there we go, it's copied now, and then I can just unplug this, and then it'll show up in my videos folder, and there it is, it's on my phone. Okay, I'm gonna show you how this works now. So go to LumaFusion. This is the edit from yesterday that I have. So I'm gonna make a new project, so I have to go this button. I'm still kind of familiarizing myself too. So this was yesterday's project. I'm gonna add a new one. I'll call it October 3, 2019. Frame rate here, landscape or vertical, photo vertical. So there's options there. I'm gonna click plus. And here we have my blank sequence or project, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm gonna, you can pick here where your sources are. So I have my videos in the Photos app, and then I created an album with those clips that I just imported called October 3. So I have it here, boom. And then I'm gonna click this, and I have my clips here. Can go through. I'm gonna pick my in and out point. Kind of want just like a quick coffee sequence here. So boom, in and out point, drop it in the timeline. Gonna get my next clip here, pressing the boop. Got that, drop it in. And then we got the coffee pouring. Right, so I got my clips in here in the timeline. What's cool is there's like a mini timeline up here, so you could, if you have a longer sequence, longer project timeline, you can quickly scroll across. And this is all on my cell phone, isn't that crazy? Okay, so I have the clips here. I'm gonna make sure the sequence feels right. Just gonna shorten this. You could also use a keyboard with this app, so you can have some keyboard shortcuts. I did not bring my keyboard with me. Shorten this. So there we have my little sequence. Boom, boom. I want it to be a little quicker. So cut this here. Okay. So there we have my really quick little sequence. I'm going to add color, so we can go here to our effects panel, adjust audio, the speed, transform. Here's the color and effects panel. So first I'm going to add a LUT to it, and these LUTs I've imported already, like same LUTs that I use on my computer. I'm going to try this one today. I'm going to dial it down to like 50%. And then we're going to add some contrast, so we can go to our like manual settings here. I'm going to click original, and I'm going to add a little bit of contrast to it. I think that looks good. I'm going to make it a little bit brighter. So contrast. And then now what I can do, so I got that coloring there. I can now copy those attributes and start pasting them on each clip. So I got my color effects, paste. So and there you go. There's my little sequence. And then if you want to add, I have a bunch of songs from Epidemic Sound downloaded to my iTunes. So if you want to add music, you can also go to your music app and upload or download any songs you have. Or you can download off of YouTube directly to the Files app as well. Just look up YouTube to MP3 on Safari and then download your copyright-free music from there. So for example, if I want to add like some music, add this one, and I add this in there. This is just an example. I don't really want to have music on this, but just an example. There you go. And that's the beginning sequence of today's video.